This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Valerie Ellis. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath mid-century home offers new carpet with hardwood flooring underneath. The large living room provides wooded views from the oversized picture window. The original working kitchen is a true gem, along with the built-in cabinets, and the vintage touches throughout. The lower-level family room and an abundance of storage also has the opportunity to create additional finished living space. Relax on the breezeway, and enjoy the peaceful sounds of nature. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Ellis at 304-546-3144.